Welcome back to Weekend Smile. In 2023, she took over the Sting stage. So joining us to recount her return to the stage following a ban from the event, her musical journey and her upcoming music for 2024 is no other than artist Michelle the Angel Dono. Hello, Missy, how are you?
Thank you for having me. And so, yes, I'm still celebrating. You know, the outfit speaks for itself.
I realized I was just gonna ask you. You're sparkling, you're shining.
Yes.
So bright this morning.
Of course, absolutely.
You're in winning mode, the Angel.
Absolutely.
Right?
Yes.
I know that we were talking earlier and you said that you have not been on the Sing stage in 10 years.
Yeah, 10.
And following the event, I mean, a lot of things happened, but you managed to still take your space and your place as one of the headliners to take the show, right?
So it's like nothing wasn't missing. Mm-hmm. Only me.
Only you, over time.
Yes, over time. And I mean, we had trained a long time for this.
Yeah.
Not only just Sting, but for every big stage.
Yeah.
Because, you know, I am known for taking shows, for shelling down shows.
Yes.
But a platform like Sting, it was like, I've been ready, you know? So, you know, I went into training mode again. I have to think about my set.
Training mode?
Yeah.
Rehearsal, because you had to make a comeback. I mean, 10 years is a long time.
Yeah.
So you had to show them what they were missing. So tell me what you did in terms of
preparation.
Performance. Yeah, preparation for your performance.
All right, then rehearsal, of course. That takes key precedence. Me and my team, we actually structured everything going into that latter part of 2013. So I channeled the War Angel, Monica.
Okay.
So it started from there. You know, so that energy of strength and just endurance and zeal and just do whatever, kick up, man.
Yeah.
That's the kind of energy I had going into Sting, and it sparks the nationwide attention. I mean, if you tell about it, it's probably a series of show from Boom Sunday to but the next show near Patrick Roberts.
No, it's holy for them. We're never gonna start calling them, you know, because let me tell you something about Angel. It's what Angel see anywhere in this world, you're gonna know so she see you. Because I mean, one time I saw Angel in Fort Lauderdale Airport, and nobody know what to hear them name called in the airport. Angel, Talia! The Angel knows some immigration winner.
Come and see you. I know, you're my friend. I'm spotted from side here. I'm with Talia that. Yeah, man, so from Get to Splash, and then people were highly anticipating the Sting performance. What is she gonna do? Where she come with? And the energy is so fired up, and I showed them that, you know, me just come to take over the whole stage, and I killed it. I was fired up. I sting and I stung.
You stung them.
Stung them.
Talk to me now about your outfit, because one thing with you, the Angel, no matter where you are going, you know, whatever you are doing, you always represent yourself on a certain caliber, especially as this fashionista. You know, you've had fashion in your blood and your genes for years, right? And no matter where you're going, you always represent. You always put yourself together so well. So talk to me about the outfit now.
And as a model, I never retire.
Never retire.
That. Melissa Moses, she constructed my custom-made look for Sting. Because if me not comfortable, me not gonna do my best.
Yeah.
So she came out hard on it. She actually drew it on a piece of paper. So big up Melissa Moses, young designer, our own Jamaican local designer, Build Jamaica, Brand Jamaica. And of course, for the makeup, it was One Too Cute, Monique.
Okay.
And you know, everybody just came out with this great idea of being a doll but firing on stage.
Okay.
You know?
I love that. Tell me now a little bit about 2024, some of your plans. You've released 2 songs already,
of course,
from the start of the year.
Yes, and don't forget, the latter part of the year, I did my foundation, where I fed 500
We soon talk about the foundation.
Yes.
So tell me about the music first, because you have some songs.
No problem.
You have some songs out now that you're promoting. Tell us a little bit about those.
Yeah, man, 2024, we kick open the door the 31st of December. I dropped my latest track. It's called Last Laugh. Right. So Last Laugh, we dropped that December 31st and December 1st.
January 1st, you mean?
Right, January 1st. The other song entitled Jealousy. Okay. So Last Lap is produced by Heights of Heights Records. That's my home now. That's where I'm putting out all these bad tunes. And Panther Son for Jealousy. Okay. Jealousy is about females, being jealous of each other. And it's about celebrating and unite females, you know?
Yeah, okay. And in terms of the creative process, are you going to be working on a project for this year? Are you planning to release any body of work?
Of course, definitely. My EP is pending.
Okay.
And
Is it the same sexy one?
What?
Is it the same sexy one that we spoke
about? I'm not even sure the direction. We just make God lead. Okay. So right now, that EP is there. So we're not even sure where the music is going, but I'm going with what's happening now.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a story with the sexy one, but I don't know if I'm going to go there with the EP as yet, because I'm going on sexy and I'm entitled to. Yeah. And it's a story. So without closing that chapter, I can't go into the next story. Yeah. So we're going to tweak it and we're going to drop it. And then we drop it. Because music is something that is ever evolving and you're always creating. I'm always creating. So it's not hard to drop 3-4 EPs in a 1 year. It's easy. Yeah. And now the doors them kick open. I kick them open. Yeah. Because I can't sit down and let people think that it's okay to pressure the angel like an oxtail or cow foot. You understand? Pressure bust pipe. And I kick open the doors and it shows that the world needs the angel and the angel needs the world.
Of course. Of course. You are coming. Touching on the topic you just mentioned of female empowerment and unity, why is that so important to you? Because they called you out for Sting for a clash and you did not take up that invitation. Why was that so?
I don't believe in females tearing down each other. Whether you're a young female trying to get a come up or you're already a stalwart established like myself, a column in dancehall, I have to set example, you know? So doing that wouldn't really help me in any shape or form, but I was open to clash with a male artist. Okay. Why? Because I want to show them that we are dominant as females. Don't put me in a box and say, oh, females, man artist now clash female and all of that. I was open to do that, and those are the only 2 persons that I called initially last year that was even welcome to come on my stage. Yes. Anybody else would be automatically disqualified. They were disqualified before them call me in and disqualify.
You care now? I love how D'Angel is so confident in herself, in her music. Very. And you're so secure with who you are as a person.
Exactly.
So secure that you have established your foundation. You're doing so well with it. You had a Christmas treat recently. Tell us a little bit about that and some of the plans that you have for this year.
As the humanitarian of the year, I continue to reign. That's why I can't afford to get distracted because so much people depend on me. I was talking about the elderly and children. So for December, I'm going to do care packages. I have food, grocery. We talk about pack bag of grocery.
How many persons did you feed?
500.
Okay.
500.
Okay.
And with minimal, I don't really have sponsors. I don't really have help. I'm the one who really push out. So with all the noise that was making, the world don't understand that I have to stay focused because I have
negativity.
I have mouths to feed. You understand? People that depend on me, especially the elderly. And I want to take this time out to just send a message. Where can we shut my camera ready?
Right here, D'Angel.
I have to send a message to the government of Jamaica because, Mr. Holness, I am actually doing your job. You understand what I say? And I'm feeding the people of this country and they depend on me. And it would be a good look for you even to just send either a representative or just even come yourself, just go look. You understand what I say? And I've reached out to you on several occasions and I'm taking the time out again. I need your support to continue to do this through my foundation. You understand what I say? So even if anybody will watch this right now, even the guard, anybody, your secretary, your co-worker, anybody seeing this video, reach out to the Prime Minister.
As well to give support to your foundation. You have a treat coming up because we have to close soon, but you have something coming up soon.
Yes, I have something coming up again for Easter. Okay. We're doing Easter bun and Easter cheese. Okay. So I'm calling out on bun company. I'm calling out on cheese company. Please make every effort to come and partner with me because we plug you, we big you up whenever you partner with us. And before I even come off at TVJ, I actually for just 1 second to acknowledge.
May I give 5 or
yes, to acknowledge who continue to support. We're talking about Tequilero, West Cinco, Big Up, Lasco Foundation, Honeybun, Mainland Supermarket at the Right of March Penny Road, LP Azar and ITC for coming on board this year. You understand what I say? So we need the help.
Where we can find you, D'Angel, quickly for your foundation, for your music. What is it? D'Angel
Music. D'Angel Music.
Instagram.
Everything is there. And you can feel free if you want to partner with me both yard and abroad. You can call the number 876-288-8047.
All right, D'Angel, big up yourself. We're going to be hearing from you to close out the show. So don't go anywhere, guys. Thank you so much. D'Angel is going to be giving us a taste of her new music later on. So don't go anywhere, as I mentioned, right? We'll soon come back. We can smile. We'll soon come back.
DJ Deadlock. DJ Deadlock.